More than 50% of the world's population live currently in urban areas, and this number is expected to rise to 70% by 2050. This will cause enormous challenges for conventional food production and supply, and contribute to the divide between rural and urban areas. Cities and surrounding areas face many challenges, such as food and nutrition insecurity. Both rural and urban residents often lack access to sufficient, nutritious, safe and affordable food suitable to their diets and local culture. Social and economic inequality. Smallholder farmers often lack access to urban markets, and in some areas, people simply cannot access or afford food and basic services. Degraded environmental and natural resources. Unsustainable practices that do not use natural resources efficiently are unfortunately adopted along the value chain. Food systems are able to link rural and urban communities and are key in designing balanced and inclusive linkages between them. Land and water use. Food production. Environmental management, transport and distribution, marketing and consumption concern both urban and rural areas. Looking at a city and its surrounding areas, or city region, and its food system can ensure a more sustainable urbanization. All actors and stakeholders need to be involved in the decision-making process. Smallholder farmers and producers, consumers, research institutions, civil society, policymakers, and government officials. Some cities are already taking action. Presently, different international initiatives are advocating for coordination and commitment among cities to ensure sustainability. For instance, the Milan Urban Food Policy Pact engages more than 120 cities in building food systems based on the pillars of sustainability and social justice. In October 2016, the UN Conference on Housing and Sustainable Urban Development published the new Urban Agenda, which will guide international efforts around urbanization for the next 20 years. Some cities are also taking action locally. In Sri Lanka, the Balangoda Urban Council set up a compost plant in its nearby rural area. It processes municipal solid waste, avoids waste accumulations in the city, and provides organic fertilizer for farmers. In Argentina, the municipality of Rosario provides training on good agricultural practices and technical and financial support to peri-urban farmers transitioning to ecological agriculture. Toronto, Canada, and Belo Horizonte, Brazil, have set up food policy councils to advise the city government on food policy issues, foster dialogue between different sectors in the food value chain, and work within and beyond municipal borders. What FAO does. FAO's Food for Cities programme and the RUAF Foundation work in city regions worldwide. After analysing the local food system, participatory action plans are developed to address the locally identified priorities and key areas of intervention. For example, in Colombo, Sri Lanka, food loss and waste are key issues. Its municipality is the source for 25% of the garbage collected in the country, and vegetable and fruit waste along the value chain can reach up to 40%, with nearly 75% of total losses occurring during transportation. Action plans are being developed. FAO's Food for the Cities programme aims to build sustainable and resilient city-region food systems that ensure food security and nutrition, provide decent livelihood opportunities, jobs and incomes, ensure social inclusion and equity, promote sustainable ecosystem and natural resources management. For more information, visit our website